In the last decades, Singapore has experienced exceptionally fast infrastructural development. However, many environmental problems have emerged as we go through various constructions and renovations. Amongst this, noise from unconstrained constructions has affected many people's life. How does the construction noise affect your life?
I can't even concentrate on my study.
I think it exerts a huge impact on my life because every time I wanted to sleep during the weekends, I'm always disturbed by the annoying noises from the construction site. I had no choice but to get up.
I feel it's very disturbing and quite annoying.
I feel damn annoyed.
Yeah, I agree. It's very annoying.
Yes, it has always been very noisy.
Yeah, sometimes the construction building is very noisy. For example, we cannot concentrate on our study and homework. So every day when I read newspaper, I must wear my headphone to force myself to concentrate on reading.
I believe the noise will be an issue, that's for sure. Dust, and also, exams period and things like that. So there's a lot of inconvenience, that's for sure. But the renovation has to go on. Let's put it this way, in the plain language, So apparently there will be definitely badges that will end up suffering. Oh yes, to be very frank, many complaints, many suggestions, many reports, many feedback about sound, and about the noise. Yes.
Construction noise is not only a problem in RI boarding, it is also found all around Singapore.
I think noise is definitely, but as long as they follow the construction period, whether it is daytime, what time they supposed to finish the carry out the work, noisy work, refer to the noisy work.
Is it like affect your life, like sleeping, having a sleep?
No, because during daytime I'm working, so I'm not too affected like the same as yet. So only those people is staying at home. No choice of constructions. We cannot control. Only control is only the working hour they can do. After certain hour they cannot do, then they will stop the work. Depend what type of construction. Like this one now we sell up to the superstructure. It's not that noisy as they're doing the foundation. Of course it's very noisy. They do the piling.
So, how do construction noises affect our health? Noise pollution poses great harms on both our physical and mental health. Firstly, according to the researchers, after experiencing continuous exposure to noises louder than 80 decibels, human ears can be easily damaged, resulting in a permanent hearing loss. Secondly, noises also induce the development of various types of cardiovascular diseases, especially among elderly citizens. Moreover, the continuous construction noises also expose us to the risk of mental health problems. Such loud noises may affect the sleep quality, and the constant interruptions during the night in the neighborhood can significantly reduce the work efficiency and productivity of the citizens. Last but not least, residents' mental health may be affected by the exposure to noises, and this will result in the development of mental stress and even violent behaviors. Then what can be done to alleviate such problems? Firstly, the government should come up with stricter rules and regulations, such as limiting the construction period in accordance to the residents' daily schedule. Secondly, the government should also provide subsidized soundproof structures to the residential areas, such as double-glazed windows, to minimize the harms. Thirdly and lastly, public education is needed to teach the public about the potential harms of construction noise and to encourage them to voice out their opinions or complaints to the government via letters or emails. Ultimately, we want a quiet life, and if we all come together, we can. While Singapore's development has to go on, we cannot overlook the welfare of the residents. For a better future, we must take the initiative and collaborate with the government to create a comfortable living environment for all.